Minority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, on behalf of the people of Kericho and on my own behalf, I join the rest of the country in passing condolences to Albert Ojwang. Mr. Speaker, I've sat here wondering, beyond the things we say as legislators, what else? What happens next? The unfortunate thing, Mr. Speaker, is that we have abated this kind of crimes for too long as legislators. We want to sit here, get clips on TikTok and say, you know, I expressed my rage. Look at the house, it's virtually empty. Because people have shared what they want to say. They have gotten theirs for the afternoon, Mr. Speaker, without a recourse. Mr. Speaker, the motion that we passed here after the June 25th protest, if we had adhered to it, and our committees, and I've said this more than 100 times on this floor, Mr. Speaker, that there were specific things that we asked each of our committees to do. The arrest procedures, Mr. Speaker, was part and parcel of what we passed in that particular motion. Mr. Speaker, the rights of protesters was part and parcel. If that had been addressed, Mr. Speaker, the young people of Angata Baragoi would not have been killed. If we had done the arrest procedures, Mr. Speaker, Albert Ojwang would not have been picked from Homa Bay to come here. And up to when, Mr. Speaker, do we want to be a house of lamentations? Let us be serious with our work. The people of our individual counties, Mr. Speaker, did not vote us in here to come and lament like them. We should be embarrassed. This is not a matter that we should even be addressing, Mr. Speaker, because we know for a fact that we have the power. If you, as a member of parliament, whine, what do you expect young people to do, Mr. Speaker? I want to urge ourselves that for once, let us take our duty seriously. Let us ask our Committee on Security to lead us into a conversation. In a sitting of the entire plenary, the same way the late Senator Yusuf Haji led us in this house, in a sitting of the entire plenary, when our 3 colleagues were arrested arbitrarily. But our Speaker, let us stop this hypocrisy of just speaking and going home. People are disappointed in our actions. I expect that Professor Ojenda, that you serve as a vice chair of this security committee, together with Senator Fatuma Dulo. You want us to speak about these issues until when? Surely, can't we lead the country into making the right decisions on how to handle protesters, how to handle arrested people, how IPOA, Mr. Speaker, can do their job without being interfered with, Mr. Speaker? Because last month they told us they are investigating those who kill people in Angata Baragoi. To date, we don't know who it is. How difficult is it to tell the country, even just to know, who are these officers that went for Albert in Homa Bay? Up to now, we don't know who they are. Yet when none of our own died, Mr. Speaker, we were being given a blow-by-blow explanation hour by hour. The life of Albert Ojwang is more important.
Senator Professor Ojenda.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let me join colleagues to commiserate with the family of the late Albert Ojwang, but also, Mr. Speaker, to condemn in the strongest terms possible, though I'm the Vice Chair of the Security Committee in Senate, and to undertake, Mr. Speaker, that the committee, as and the Chair has spoken, will go right to ensure that this matter is dealt with as by law required. Mr. Speaker, it is clear that under the Independent Police Oversight Authority Act of 2011, this matter must and ought to be investigated first by IPOA. And I'm glad that I saw the chair of IPOA, Commissioner Ahmed Isaac, together with the IG and the DIG and other police officers at the Central Police Station, which was the crime scene. Mr. Speaker, 2 things that I want to point to, Mr. Speaker. Our colleagues in this House have this afternoon spoken and made a number of suggestions. The first suggestion, Mr. Speaker, is that this matter be dealt with by the Commission of Inquiry and a Commission of Inquiry appointed under Chapter 102 of the Laws of Kenya, the Commission of Inquiries Act. Mr. Speaker, since the law clearly spells out the role of IPOA under Sections 5 and 6, this matter would be best initially investigated by IPOA. And Mr. Speaker, unlike my colleagues who have come before me, it is important that every person in this process be investigated. It is also important, Mr. Speaker, that we do not, at this point in time, call upon the resignation of individuals, including DIG Lagat, who had filed a complaint, but to go to the depth of the investigation and establish who was responsible, who caused the death of Albert Ojwang. Mr. Speaker, the second point is this, that it is clear, Mr. Speaker, that a murder has been committed. A murder as prescribed under sections 204 and 207 of the Penal Code of the laws of this country, and the police officers who are culpable or who are linked to this offense, those who are in charge of Albert Ojwang right from the time of arrest, must all be arraigned in court. We want to see action in the same manner and fashion as happened in the case of the late Ong'ondowere, so that we have action. It is not enough, Mr. Speaker, to call upon officers to resign before they investigate. Let us have a report that will come to us. But Senate, as we are saying, Mr. Speaker, will undertake its function under the chairmanship of the Senator Dulo, and we, as Vice Chair, we will.
Senator Tobiko.